This is not financial advice, not legal advice for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. You guys know by now that I like ACHR stock. I think this air taxi thing is going to be very, very big in the near future. I think by the time the Olympics come to LA in 2028, that the ACHR thing is going to be running back and forth the way you got Uber and Lyft right now. You guys know that Uncle Frank put this on my radar, and I've been following ACHR. I was also following JOBY. I think that company has some potential also, but I believe ACHR has more potential in the long run. And I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell ACHR. You have to do your own DD and decide what companies are right for your portfolio, right for your investment strategies, right for your investment goals. Okay, I was talking with Uncle Frank and CSI this morning concerning ACHR, and we were looking at this chart, and ACHR only had 25,000 shares available to short or available to borrow rather, and the cost of borrow was 22.39%. Now, in a fair and transparent market, this would be a good thing. In a fair and transparent market, this would indicate that there's a possibility that ACHR is going to squeeze. But because we live in the United States of America, where the bad actors know that they own the SEC, they own the DOJ, they own the FBI, they never have to really do anything as long as they have liquidity. As long as they have money to keep shorting and naked shorting the debt, they don't have to do anything. Because while they're claiming there's only 25,000 ACHR shares available to short or available to borrow, depending on how you're looking at it, they can go to the market makers and just create an infinite amount of ACHR shares, and the SEC will do absolutely nothing. The DOJ will do absolutely nothing. The FBI will do absolutely nothing. Or they'll just talk to unscrupulous brokers who will lend them the same shares over and over and over again. And the brokers don't care because they're making money. They don't care that they're breaching, in my opinion, breaching their fiduciary responsibility to their clients whose shares they're holding, but they don't care about that. They only care about making money. They don't care if they cripple the value of their client's stock. They're not concerned about that. Their bottom line is to keep making money. And if they can take one share and loan that share 10 times and get interest on it 10 times, that's what a lot of these brokers are going to do. I'm not saying all of them, because there's some brokers, just like there's some institutions, that follow the rules and regulations of the market. But then you have some that do whatever they want, whenever they want, and the rules of the market does not apply to them. And here's the other thing. They know that if they get caught, there are no real consequences for their illegal activity. They know it'll be a small, tiny fine that will be a small percentage of the money they made from the questionable or criminal activity, so it will not act as a deterrent. So while I enjoy looking at these numbers, I enjoy watching a small amount of shares available to short with a cost of borrow that's in 20-something and 30-something and going up. But because fraud and corruption is allowed in the U.S. stock market, it's very difficult for shares to squeeze. Very difficult. Because they can do what they want, whenever they want, with the blessing of the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that these bad actors can break the law whenever they want with no real consequences. Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.